YouTubers, hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is my Papa. Today we're going to sew a fascinator. Yeah, make a fascinator for many occasions, different occasions as it calls for. Actually, I am so grateful for my subscribers, my new subscribers. You're so great, and I thank you. My old subscribers, you are just lovers, and I love you so much. So get ready and let's go. Guys, we are actually doing a simple fascinator, and I think it will be very easy for you. I know everybody can do that, but first we need items, which is, first of all, we need a needle, and then you need your feathers. You see, you have to get a feather. If you can use something different, any trimmers, but I prefer the feather. And then you instead of, we have different types that you can use. Me, I used the lace, but you can use bias, the ribbon bias as well, and go to town and find it. And then I got the headband, the plastic one, so that you can wrap the lace around it. And then I got myself those beads, the beads that they used to decorate the kente for engagements and stuff. It's very shiny, so when you fix it on the fascinator, it sparkles. Actually, even in the night, it sparkles a lot. Oh gosh, and it poured all over the place. And have work to do. I have to gather all those things. Like seriously. Fast forward. So there goes our beads, and you can see that I have some other the stones in it and stuff. You need your thread cutter, and you have to get a scissors to cut. You know, you need a scissors. You know, scissors. Now we are set to go up. We need a thread as well. You need your thread, you need glue. Of course, you can't do away with glue. Every person that loves fashion or anything like that, you need a fabric. You need a glue. Yeah, did I just say fabric? Say fabric. Whatever. Now we are going to cut. You're going to cut, but you have to spread it. Me, I didn't measure. You have to just have an eye for measurements. You decide the amount that you need. If you wanted a bigger fascinator, it's up to you to cut it big. But if you need a smaller one, you just lay it down, fold it, and then cut into two. Okay, so let's go. Just fold the lace into two, like you fold it into, how do you, in the middle part, fold it in the middle, the first end to the middle, the other end to just do it the same way as I'm doing, just putting it across. Yes, this is how I did it, like ahead. So you thread your needle. You can't, because it's, I don't know, it's slippery, but then you have to hold on. Yes, so you just pick up you make sure that the lines are in you know, you can't see. Yes, so you use your thread. Look at me threading. Girl, what were you doing, Leon? Do you have to thread here? Oh yeah, pardon me, small. I am threading. Threading alone is not easy, or sure. It's hard, but then if you don't have a sharp eye, which in 2020 you can't see. So after you're done threading, do the gathering with the machine, but this one you're using your hand to do the gathering. So you have to secure the ends with the thread. Do you know how to use the thread to tie a knot? Like the needle and the thread to tie a knot. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, you just create a loop, pass through it, and there you go. You're able to, and then you go ahead and pin it in and out so you get your gathering. All right. So voila, we have our bow. You see how the bow is? It could be bigger or smaller. Either way, it's still a bow. So we have a bow. Don't mind my dog here. So once you gather it, you just tie the knot just to secure it. So we need two of these. Already we cut two of the bows, so we have to get two, and then that'll be it. Hey guys, I realized the camera messed up. I thought I recorded everything, but along the way it didn't record the whole thing. So I have to go back to everything. Thankfully, I did two sets of the other bolts and it's there. This one is a smaller version of the bigger bolt. So I'm going to illustrate more. So pay attention so that you don't miss out. Okay, so now we are going to tell you. You see I have the bow, is two of them. So you cross them, and then you use a needle and thread to thread it so that it will be stable. It doesn't move around and stuff. So once you thread it, it becomes a circle, like a round circle. And then you see, before you put the flower on, you need to decorate the down so that when you put the feathers, so that it won't move, you use your glue the feather. You know, the feather comes in the extract, so you can cut it as many as you want. You glue the end of it like the way I'm doing right now, and then you glue it in the middle of the bowl that you created, the round circle bowl. So you actually you stick it down there. You put the glue and you stick it down there, hold on to it, make sure it's dried. You go all round with your feathers. You can do as many as you want. You can use 10, 20 or any as you want. Me, I just want a few, so I did. Then you put your flower, your already made flower, in the middle. You know, they have this round place that you can glue it to. Once you are done, you can put a stone to decorate. You need to decorate your fascinator. So you put a stone, you put a glue inside the stone, and you put it there. Press it so that it's dry, because if it's not dry, it will all come off. And then you beat it. I told you about the beads that they use for the engagements and stuff. So I beaded it. You have to beat it. You know what I mean. One after the other. When you bead and tie the knots, you move to the other place so that it won't move about or just be loose anyhow. So once you are done with it, you go to the headband, the plastic one. I told you about it. Me, I didn't use the what do they call it, the satin ribbon for it, but rather I used a lace. I cut the strap of a lace, like the strip of it, and then you know what you have to do. Like the way I'm holding it, it was a long one, but I've used it, so I had to cut it off. So what you need to do when you're going to is just, you have your glue already, so you glue the edge. You know, the edge of it, you just put the glue at the edge. You glue it, the edge, and then you put the fabric, which is the lace over there, and then you keep on. Once it's stuck, you need to press on so that it will be stuck, so that when you're doing it, it won't start moving about. Because if you don't stick it well and you are trying to actually go around all the band, it will come off, but you have to make it dry so that you can move about, just like the way I am doing. You go about it bit by bit till you get to the last end of your rubber band, like your band. Yeah, so when you get to the last end, you know that okay, you've gotten there. So you use the same glue, the same procedure you use for the beginning, you use it for the end. And then you press on. Press on. I didn't say use iron. No iron. You just press it with your hand. You can blow air to it so that it be so tight. So once it's glued and everything is done, we are going to stick the fascinator, the decorative fascinator, on the banner so that we get a complete ready to wear fascinator. So what will you do? You have to glue it. You glue it and then you can't do something to secure it. Yeah, so I'll just glue half a side, because when you wear it, you are not wearing it in the middle. You have to wear it side, and then as if it's falling or something, you just wear it at the side. So we put the glue at the side instead of the middle, but at the side of it, because that's where we want the fascinator to be. So in this case too, you dry it a little bit before you attach both together, because when it's wet and you put two and two lace or fabric, it's hard for it to stick unless it's a little bit dry. So once it's dry, you just paste it on it. Paste it. So you hold on to the two so that it will stick to it, because if you let go it will fall off and you have done like a useless job. Okay, so now that you are holding on to it, don't just hold on and just leave your hand or walk away or anything. Just press it so that it's so glued. And to secure it, you need to secure it. You have to use thread and needle. Just put in like a thread the needle, and then work with it. Just make sure you tight all over. Go around the fascinator to tighten the head, the flower there, so that it won't, I repeat, it won't fall off. Okay, you get me? It won't fall off when you're so in the mood to dance, and when your hyper self has come inside, and you need to actually relax or dance till the next morning, and then it falls off. Hey, this one here, that one is disastrous. So that's why we do all this, just to secure that. Thank you. So finally, our long-awaited fascinator is done. This is a simple fascinator that you can wear to everywhere you want. You can make it for kids because it's not all that huge or very big. It's nice, simple, and easy. So you try this at home. Just get some of these items and try it yourself. Wear it wherever. You can use different colors of net, or you can make different, like you can use different trims. Depends on your own mood. Thank you, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep on this channel so that you see more videos from me. Thank you so much. God bless.
You just always been a tighter